Greensboro Imaging, we are taking every precaution to make sure that you have a safe and successful appointment. That's why we want to walk you through what to expect before your next appointment with us. Only the patient is allowed into the office to reduce the chance of spreading infections unless, of course, the patient is a child or an adult that has special needs. Our office follows social distancing guidelines and everyone wears masks in our facility. When you arrive at the 301 East Wendover Avenue, Greensboro Imaging location, you will be greeted by one of our staff members who will ask you a few health screening questions and take your temperature using a contactless thermometer to reduce the risk with entering into our facility. Once temperature is verified to be below 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, you will be sent to one of the opening registration desks. There are floor markers indicating the proper distance patients need to maintain between themselves and other patients should there be a line at registration. The patient access representative will ask for your name and find it on their list. Once they have pulled up your information, they will ask for your ID and insurance card and scan them into Epic. The patient access representative will verify your personal and appointment information in Epic and check you in. After you have moved to the designated seating area, the patient access representative will clean their desk, electronic signature pad, and anything else you have touched. We have rearranged our lobby to follow the social distancing guidelines. Seats are placed 6 feet apart. We also have hand sanitizer in each of the exam rooms and in the lobby for staff and patient use. Once you are called for the procedure, one of the patient access representatives will clean the lobby chair you were sitting in. The technologist will come and get you from the lobby. They will introduce themselves and verify your name and date of birth. If your exam requires for you to remove items of clothing, you will be taken to a dressing room so that you may slip on a gown. Please note that we perform many different exams at our locations, and depending on what you are here for will determine whether you stop at a couple of different locations. If you are having a procedure where you will have IV contrast, you will go to the lab where your IV will be started and some blood may be taken to check your creatinine level. After changing and completing any labs or IVs, you will be escorted to the exam room. Your technologist will obtain your history for the exam you are having performed, explain the procedure you are having done, and answer any questions you may have at that time. After you have completed your exam, the technologist will escort you back to your dressing room for you to change your clothes if necessary. While you are changing, the technologist will clean the exam room, changing linens and wiping down equipment with disinfectant. Also, the dressing room you were in will be cleaned with disinfectant to ensure it is safe for the next patient. After you are done changing, the technologist will escort you out of the facility using a different door than you used when you entered to decrease the contact you will have with other patients. Your physician will contact you and notify you of your results. If you have any questions about your appointment or these precautions, please visit us online at greensboroimaging.com or call us today at 336-433-5000. Thanks, and we look forward to seeing you.